Welcome, Petrus Ice here, and just dedicate a couple minutes and listen. I think you should go fully all in on meme coins right now. There's a crazy chance, which is the meme coin market just fully booming, crypto booming. As you can see, I'm on a challenge wallet here, and in total, I'm up 10k, and this 10k profit is just in November. I mean, pretty much in the last 2 weeks. As you see, we've been down here just at a couple $100 and then ran up from $500 in 2 weeks of trading up to over 10.5k. And yeah, we're just getting started. I mean, it's a crazy bull run, and I think you should really try use this opportunity. It's really not that hard. You can learn how to trade memes quickly. You can improve quickly and find bangers. Even with a couple $100, you can turn it into a better portfolio. And yeah, if you need help on that, I have my call channel in the bio. Also follow my Twitter and get into it, bro. There are crazy chances. Only this was around from like $200. I was at a huge loss here, then put in like 200, ran it back, and then boom, was up pretty nicely, and we're still nicely up. Parked some money in Sol NFTs now, also an interesting topic that I'll be making a video on, but for now we're focused on meme coins. And to trade meme coins, you also need the right tools, so I recommend BULLX. I'm on BULLX Neo, but you can get the normal version. For BULLX Neo you need to have like a special invitation, but you can use BULLX to trade meme coins. It's like a platform that you can just search on, like look for coins, ape them if you think they're bangers. And yeah, because if you're trading from your Phantom, if you haven't started trading, you should get a Phantom wallet and set up BULLX. Link will be in bio. You just set it up through Telegram, very easy, like takes 15 seconds. But if you're trading already and you're trading like on Phantom, you gotta switch either BULLX or Trojan, but BULLX is better. So yeah, there are crazy amounts of chances every day. Like every day there are crazy coins that just send. Even let's check this coin. Like on the 1 minute. This started right here on Pump Fun, couple K market cap, went up to 160k. That is over 20x. So you put in $100. If you spotted it, right here in new creations, you put in $100 sorry, and you write it up 20x, so you got 2k. Of course, sounds really easy, but it's not always that easy to fish out the right coins, but it's very possible. Get in, and take your chance, because things like these only happen every couple years, where there's a crazy bull run, and a meme coin bull run like this didn't even happen before. So we're at the craziest stage of a bull run. Because of course all crypto pretty much sends in bull runs, but this bull run meme coins are extremely sending, and there's a lot of attention on them. Go even check brain rot. Another coin pumping hard, 230k. There's chances every day. So don't be scared. Take your chance. Join my Telegram. Set up BULLX. And yeah, maybe you can try buy some of my calls. I called some bangers. Called multiple 20, 30, 50x's even. And of course some smaller normal ones. In my Telegram I try to share lessons I learned and just calls if I find something interesting. So join up if you want. Subscribe. And yeah, have a great day. and I believe in you.